said I can make one video before bed. So this is my video. I'm gonna do something funny now. I didn't do anything. That was a joke. There was no funny thing involved. Did I mention I like croissants? My friend Jimmy has a lot of good stuff, and he's very smart. But I have to go soon because if I don't get off of my computer, then my mommy will get mad. And I don't like when mommy gets mad. Did I mention she's 42? I gotta go. She's been on the whine all night. I wish Jimmy was here.